What's up, TikTok? So today we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger with a pretty large dent on the right front fender. Let's go ahead and wipe it down for you guys so you can see the entire thing. And here's the full extent of the damage. You can see that it's not just the dent itself, that there is some crowning, as we call, and that metal has to go somewhere after it's hit. We're going to add some heat for some malleability and start this dent off by glue pulling. This allows us to remove the bulk of the damage and get a lot of that metal kind of flowing back to its original shape. We're going to remove it with 91% alcohol, and that's after one glue pull. We have some more metal to move here, so let's go ahead and do that. A couple more pulls, and that's what you see after glue pulling. We do have some lows that we do have to address, which are these dark spots here. So right now I'm pointing out these dark lows that are going to actually have to be pushed out. And then we have some crowning, which are these humps. The metal has to go somewhere, like I said, so this is what happens. Metal disperses and it humps up. And we're going to go ahead and knock some of that down and relieve some pressure into the middle of that dent. We remove the fender liner. That gives us access to the back side of the dent here, and so we can start our pushing. And after a couple hours of this, we can go ahead and show you the final result. And there you have it.